Hi students, so this lecture for BCA second sem on the statistical method. In the last class we discussed on the two-dimensional diagrams. Out of that we finished one which is that the pie diagram. Okay, so this the what by two-dimensional diagram. So in this two-dimensional diagrams it is matters the length as well as the breadth of to be taken into the accounts. Okay, as well as such diagrams are also called the area diagrams or the surface diagram. Okay, under this in the two-dimensional diagrams, so these rectangles diagram is there, square diagram is there, pie diagram is there. Okay, so out of these three diagrams we finished with the pie diagrams. So now in this session we will see the which is the rectangles diagram. Okay, so now see the rectangle diagrams. Rectangle are used to represent the relative magnitude of two or more values. Okay, so in a rectangles it with the help of this rectangle diagram we can show in the rectangle two or more values for the comparison purpose. Okay, so the area of the rectangle are kept in proportion to the values. Okay, so whatever the data with are there, so with the of that data, so rectangles are kept in that proportion. Okay, so rectangles are placed side by side for comparison. Okay, so it's very it means it is one of the factor to comparison purpose. Okay, so this diagram, rectangle diagrams, it is one of this for the comparison of the two factors data we can compare. Okay, so this is the rectangles are placed side by side. Okay, so it means it is the placed side by side for the comparison purpose. Okay, so we may represent the figures as they are given or may convert them to percentage and then subdivide the length into various components. Okay, so it means that whatever the data is there of the factors, that data same the data, with the help of data we can draw the rectangles or we can convert that data into the percentage and draw the diagrams. Okay, so it is this is the meaning of this. Okay, so just keep in mind rectangles we can, with the help of the rectangles, it's represent the two or more values in one rectangles. Okay, and it's used for the comparison purpose. Okay, and it is kept side by side. Okay, so this is about the rectangles. Now see the example of this rectangle, we will see with the help of the example. So now see, represents the following data by subdivided percentage rectangles diagram. Okay, so the items of expenditure, these are the items are given there are two families, family A and family B. Okay, so the family A's income is rupees 5,000 and family B's income is rupees 8,000. Okay, so now see this 5,000 how it's expenditure incurred, and for the B family B purpose rupees 8,000 how it's expenditure incurred. Okay, so now see for the food in family A 2,000 it's incurred and for the B 2,500 is incurred. So now clothing 1,000 is for the family A and 2,000 for the family B. House rent 800 for family A and 1,000 for the family B. Okay, so like this expenditures are incurred out whatever out of that income, whatever they're having the income, family income. So this income is what's expenditure. Okay, so now see how it's converted into the percentage. Okay, so items of the expenditure as it is we have to take, and the family A. Okay, so for the family A it means what's the rupees food rupees 2,000. now this Y is nothing but the percentage. Okay, how it's converted, so this 2,000 means it means what's the 40% out of the 5,000. Okay, so now this 5,000 income is there, out of the 5,000 2,000 is income in 2,000 is incurred for the food purpose. Okay, so it means how many percentage, 40%. Okay, so this 2,000 divided by 5,000 into 100 you will get the 40. and for the B it's a 2500 divided by 8000 into 100, you will get the 31. Okay, so now for the clothing, so 1000 divided by 5000 into 100, it will be the 20, and for the family B 2000 divided by 8000 into 100 divided by 25. So like this you have to convert into the what percentage. Okay, so now see this percentage with the help of this y, it indicates what's the percentage. Okay, so this with the help of this percentage we have to draw the rectangle diagram. So now see in this, so this is the subdivided percentage rectangular diagram. So in the x-axis it is the proportions, the point number 2, family A it's a 0 to 5000, family B is a 0 to 8000. Okay, so now see this point number second, the area of the rectangles are kept in proportion to the values. Okay, so it is kept in the proportion of the values. Okay, the value is 5000 up to then family is B income is 8000. Okay, like this it is the proportion maintained. So now see the for the food, for the A it's 40% and for the B it's a 31%. so now see here for the family A, so whatever this portion is there, no, so this portion is nothing but the 40% of the family A. Okay, and this portion is nothing but what the for the family B it's a 31%. Okay, so now see again it means for the clothing purpose, for the 20% and the 25%, so 20% for the A family and 25% for the B family. Like this you have to draw the rectangle diagrams. Okay, and it's very easy to comparison. Now see here it is kept side by side because for the comparison purpose, and it's very easy to compare the data for the two families. Okay, or the two factors. Okay, so just try to understand. Thank you.